Hi, good morning. So as of now, it's already 10 a.m. here. So we will go to Chelsea Park Place. Welcome to Mega World Capital, Town Pampanga. Okay, so I will show you the lobby, the amenities, and also the units inside of Chelsea, okay? Oh, look at this. So this is the Chelsea Park Place. So as you can see, this is the bypass road connecting Jasa Road and Capitol Boulevard. Welcome to Chelsea Park Place. So this is the Chelsea Park Place lobby. Okay, so pasok tayo. Good morning. 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 Okay, so makita nyo, napakalinis, para kang nasa hotel. Yan. So didesign ang lobby na parang hotel talaga. Yan, napakabait ng mga guard and also mga staff here. So makita nyo. At napakabango pa rito. Tignan nyo. Yan. Okay. So ito yung 2 elevators natin. Yan siya. Then ito naman ang ating meal room. Okay. Tapos dito, ito yung admin office natin. So, kung meron kayong mga questions or complaints or request, dito lang kayo pumunta sa admin office. Hi. So ngayon po, papunta po tayo sa studio unit po para makita niyo yung loob niya. So this is the kitchen. Okay, so meron tayong modular under counter and overhead cabinets with open shelves. Tapos meron tayong single bowl sink with faucet. Okay, ceramic blocks po ginamit nating flooring here. So this is our toilet and bathroom. So what you see is what you get here. So pagpasok mo, makikita mo we have the lavatory basin with mixer, kasama yung facial mirror. May bowl na rin tayo. Then granite countertop na rin. Tapos ito yung provision for the washing machine. Okay. Then we also have soap dish, towel rod, tissue paper holder, bidet spray. Okay. And we also have the partial glass shower enclosure. Ayan. And shower set mixer. Diyan po sa nakikita nyo. So may modular closet na rin tayo. May free split type aircon na rin po tayo. This is the view of the east wing side ng Chelsea Park Place. So you have the first BPO Tower or the Paso Deco Tower 1, and also you have the view of the Montrose Park View and the Savoy Hotel here. This is the Savoy Hotel here. Then this is the Plaza Emperador. So there's an extended amenity here, and this is the Plaza Emperador's location. Yeah. Then you also have the view of the Mount Arayat, and also this place, this is the Capitol Mall. Okay, nice one, nice view. And also look at that, just imagine the PNR Clark Railway Station is just 400 meters away lang here. Ngayon naman po, papakita ko sa inyo mga amenities namin, kung ano yung meron kami dito sa Chelsea Park Place. Okay? So this is our daycare center dito sa Chelsea Park Place. Sa second floor po ito. So lahat po ng amenities na dito sa second floor. So ito. Yan. So kung meron kayong mga chikiting, so pwede nyo itong gamitin. Okay? So look at that, napakalinis at napakabango here. Mag-enjoy ang bata. So ngayon po nandito naman tayo sa indoor pool ng Chelsea Park Place. So ito hindi naman siya kalakihan, pero at least mag-enjoy ka naman dito. So meron tayong kiddie pool and adult pool dyan. So makita niyo dyan. Yan. So ano siya? Hindi ka maaarawan, hindi kayo itim dito. Okay? So ngayon naman, pupunta tayo sa fitness center. Okay, so ito, at least, pagkagising mo ng umaga or pagkatapos mo sa trabaho, pwede kang mag-exercise dito, di ba? So yan, kumpleto lahat. Meron tayong treadmill, yan. So lahat, kumpleto na dyan. So ngayon naman, pupunta tayo sa events hall ng Chelsea Park Place, okay? Tara, samahan niyo ako mga kabayan. So this is our events hall. So ito, it can occupy at least 30 to 40 packs. Okay? So yan, napakaganda. So kung meron kayong special occasion or event yan, ito pwede yung magamit ito. Okay? So ito naman yung spillover natin ng events hall natin yan. So makita nyo, open yan, napaka-presko dyan. So may mga halaman na nilagay. Okay, so mag-i-enjoy kayo dyan. Okay? Isa sa pinakamagandang feature ng Chelsea Park Place is yung Speak Easy bar natin. Ito, nakakonect ito sa event hall natin. So, ito, pagbukas mo netong ano natin, ng door, so makikita ka ng nakatagong bar. So, yan. Isa yan sa unique feature ni Chelsea Park Place here. So yun, napakita ko na sa inyo yung unit natin and also yung mga amenities ni Chelsea Park Place. So next video ko is ang i-present ko naman is yung 2-bedroom ni Chelsea Park Place and also yung 1-bedroom. Okay? Oh, yun na nga. So ito, tapos na ang aking video. Please, if you have questions, just let me know and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next vlog. Thank you.